Author, Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist and blockchain specialist. In the decentralized blockchain universe, decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, have emerged as a novel model for organizing and conducting business. Despite their immense potential, DAOs remain vulnerable to certain risks, including the threat of being taken over by malicious actors. One of the fundamental protective strategies in such scenarios involves preparing for hard forks. This article aims to guide DAOs on how to effectively plan for and manage potential hard forks. A hard fork in the context of blockchain technology refers to a radical change that diverges from the existing protocol, creating a new version of the blockchain with a different rule set. In the realm of DAOs, hard forks are a tool for community self-preservation in the face of an existential threat. Planning for a hard fork. Hard forks should not be an afterthought, but a part of the DAO's initial strategic planning. It is crucial to develop a procedural framework that outlines the conditions and processes for initiating a hard fork. This framework should define what constitutes a significant threat to the DAO, and set forth the necessary steps to create a new DAO in response to such a threat. Consensus building and community engagement. A hard fork essentially gives birth to a new DAO, leaving the original chain to the malicious actors. The success of the new DAO heavily relies on achieving a community consensus and ensuring participation in the new chain. It is, therefore, essential to keep the community informed and engaged in the entire process. A transparent voting mechanism should be established to gain community approval before initiating a hard fork. Technical preparedness. From a technical standpoint, it's necessary to have the requisite expertise in the team to handle the complexities of initiating a hard fork. This could involve preparing and testing the new code, coordinating the switch to the new blockchain, and ensuring all necessary functionality transfers smoothly to the new DAO. Legal and regulatory considerations. Depending on the jurisdiction, hard forks can also have legal and regulatory implications. It's advisable to have legal counsel who can guide the DAO through potential legal complexities, ensuring that the hard fork doesn't violate any laws or regulations. Post-hard fork strategy. A strategic plan for the aftermath of the hard fork is equally important. This could involve strategies for attracting new users to the new DAO, re-establishing partnerships and collaborations, and rebuilding the DAO's reputation. Remember, a hard fork is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It can be a disruptive process and should be considered a last resort, to be employed when all other protective measures have failed. However, by being well prepared for such an eventuality, DAOs can ensure their continuity, protect their community's interests, and maintain the integrity of their operations in the face of potential threats.